Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing and review of Redmi Note 9 Pro. This is the latest smartphone by Xiaomi, and you can see Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. Okay, now quickly open the box. So in top we get this small box. Let's see what we get inside it. Okay, so here we get the SIM ejector tool. Keep this aside. Some reading manuals. And this is the transparent TPU case. Guys, this is the transparent TPU case. Okay. I would like to say the quality of this case is really good. Okay, now keep this aside, and guys, this is the phone. It is in a glacier white. Here you can see. We come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C cable. So this is a really good thing. We get the USB Type-C cable. And this is the charger. Here you can see this is the charger. Okay, and if we talk about its output, so you can see, okay, it will give you 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 watt 2 ampere, and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. It is 18 watt fast charger. Okay. Now keep this aside and come to the main content. Here's the phone, guys. You can see, guys, I would like to say the phone quality is really good. It is in glacier white color, and the phone quality is really good. Here you can see. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top here you can see, in top we get the IR blaster, secondary microphone, and on this side we get the volume up and down key, and this is the power on button with the fingerprint feature availability. Here is the fingerprint feature available over there on power button. And on bottom we get the main speaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. Quickly eject it. See what specification we get out of it. Okay, so guys, this is a really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot. You can insert 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Okay, and if we talk about the back, guys, it has a quad rear camera setup. Here you can see it has quad rear camera setup, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel, and over there flash is available. And if we talk about the front, here we get the 16 megapixel front camera. And the screen cover is pre-installed. I would like to inform you that the screen cover is pre-installed. Okay, now I'm going to boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and it sets it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 720G 8nm octa-core processor. It has 6.6 inch full HD plus IPS LCD screen, which comes with the punch hole display. If we talk about the internal storage, it has 64, 4 and 128, 6 GB UFS 2.1 internal storage variant available. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the rear camera, it has quad rear camera, 48 megapixel f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 16 megapixel f2.5 aperture front camera. It has 5020 mAh battery, which supports 18 watt fast charging, come in the box. And it has IR blaster, and if you talk about the software, it is running on Android 10 MIUI 11. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of Redmi Note 9 Pro, and you can see if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Here we get the helpful quick setting, and this is the brightness setting available over there. You can adjust brightness. And if we slide from bottom, we get the Google Assistant. And if we slide from left, we get the shortcut center. All shortcuts are available here. And I would like to say some bloatware are installed, but you can easily uninstall it. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how many storage we get out of 64 GB. So here you can see if we go in storage, so here we get 44.86 GB available out of 64 GB, and this is the non-system storage available. Here you can see apps and app data, pictures, videos, audio, cache data, and other files. And this is the system storage 15.56 GB, and the cleaner feature is also available here, which is a really good thing. Okay, and if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is running on 1.6.2020. And if we go in all specs, here we get the all specification of this mobile, device name, device model, MIUI version, Android version, Android security patch level, RAM, model number, CPU, baseband version, kernel version, internal storage, and this is the phone status. Battery status and level is also showing here. Okay, now quickly go back. I would like to say here is the pop-up available of system app updater. Okay, now quickly go to its quad rear camera. It has quad rear camera setup, and if we talk about the camera UI, if we slide from left, we get the video, short video, and slow motion. And if we slide from right, we get the 48 megapixel camera, portrait mode, night mode, panorama, and pro mode. And if we tap on top, here we get the camera frame 9:16 full, 1:1, and 3:4. And this is the timer, tilt shift, show grid lines, straighten, macro, Google Lens is also available, and this is the document scanning is also available here. Okay, so watermark is available, live tips, and if we talk about the picture quality, it has high standard and low picture quality availability, and focus and shoot feature is also available. And if we talk about the anti-banding, it supports up to 60 Hz. And if we tap here, so here we get some filters. Here you can see, here we get some filters, and this is the beauty mode. And guys, this is the pro color mode. Okay, this is the pro color mode, and this is the AI camera mode. And if we tap here, by tapping it, we can change the HDR status, turn it off, auto and on. And this is the flash, same for this, turn it off, auto on, or use as a torch. Okay, now quickly go back and check its camera performance. The main highlight feature is 48 megapixel camera. So just take a photo and check its camera performance. Yeah, I would like to say it captures really very fast. You can see. And if we talk about the camera quality, is the watermark of Redmi Note 9 Pro. Over there you can see Redmi Note 9 Pro AI quad camera. Guys, I would like to say camera quality is good. There's no doubt camera quality is good. Let's take another photo. It captures really very fast. Yeah guys, I would like to say the camera quality is good. Here you can see, if we talk about the color rendering, it captures real color without any exposure. So the camera quality is really good. And if we go with the AI camera mode, let's check this out. Capture speed is really very fast. So guys, I would like to say the camera quality is really good. If we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo details. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. Now move up to Pro Color mode. Some bluish photo is over there, you can see. No doubt, camera quality is really good. Now go to the 48 megapixel camera, the highlighted camera of this phone. Ultra HD is on for 48 megapixel camera. Guys, I would like to say the camera quality is really good. You can see the camera quality is really good. You can see the zoom in extend feature. Zoom in up to maximum, but the photo details, we didn't lose the photo details. Here you can see. Camera quality is really good. And if we go in video, it has a 4K Ultra HD video recording feature. Let's check this out. Here we have mark feature is also available. It has electronic image stabilization. You can see electronic image stabilization working perfectly. Let's check this out. It has electronic image stabilization. Electronic image stabilization working perfectly. Okay guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. The camera quality is really good, no doubt. So if we talk about its face unlock and fingerprint performance, now check this out. If we talk about the fingerprint performance, put the finger and it unlock. Here you can see. Do it many times. This is really very fast and responsive. Really very fast and responsive. Here you can see really very fast and responsive. Here you can see a put and it unlock. A put and it unlock. Oh my god guys, this is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock, a see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Do it again. I'm not seeing, I see. Okay, try it again. I see and it unlock. Okay guys, the fingerprint and face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. Now phone will see, I see, and it unlock. You can see. Especially the fingerprint performance is awesome. You can see I'm not seeing, I see. Okay, do it again, I see, and it unlock. I see and it unlock. You can see, I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay guys, the fingerprint and face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive, and especially the fingerprint performance is awesome. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Redmi Note 9 Pro smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.